In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge your chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. Managing your finances effectively in QuickBooks often means keeping your chart of accounts clean and organized. Over time, duplicate accounts can clutter your records, making it harder to analyze your financial data. Merging accounts is a simple yet powerful way to streamline your bookkeeping, ensuring that all transactions are consolidated under the right categories. If you're ready to tidy up your chart of accounts and improve your workflow, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process. If you're new to QuickBooks Online, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. To begin, navigate to the left-hand menu in QuickBooks Online. From there, click on Accounting, and then select Chart of Accounts. This is where you'll find all the accounts used to organize your financial data. Next, locate the two accounts that represent the same thing, the duplicates you want to merge. Take a moment to carefully review these accounts and confirm that merging them is the right action for your situation. Keep in mind that this process is permanent and cannot be undone, so you'll want to proceed with caution. Before merging, it's crucial to verify that both accounts share some key characteristics. They must have the same account type, detail type, currency, and parent or sub-account structure. If these elements don't match, the merge won't work, so double-check everything before moving forward. Once you've confirmed compatibility, decide which account you want to keep as the final account. This will be the account that remains after the merge, and all transactions will be moved into this one. Now, open the account you want to merge into the final account. Once it's open, click on the Edit button. This will allow you to make changes to the account details. To merge the accounts, rename this account so that its name matches the name of the final account exactly. Pay close attention to spaces, punctuation, and capitalization. Everything must match perfectly. If your company uses account numbers, make sure the account number is identical as well. This step is essential because QuickBooks relies on this exact match to perform the merge. After renaming the account, click Save. At this point, QuickBooks will display a confirmation message, letting you know that saving an identical name will merge the two accounts. Review the message carefully, and when you're ready, click Yes to confirm the merge. Once the merge is complete, verify that all the transactions from the merged account have been successfully moved into the final account. Also check that the duplicate account no longer appears in your chart of accounts list. This ensures the process was successful and your records are now consolidated. In some cases, you might see a warning message instead of the confirmation message. This usually happens if the two accounts don't have matching account types, detail types, currencies, or parent or sub-account relationships. If this occurs, revisit both accounts, make any necessary adjustments to align these details, and repeat the merge process. Finally, repeat this process for any other duplicate accounts you'd like to merge. Take your time to confirm each pair of accounts before merging, and always double-check your work to maintain accuracy. And that's it! You've now learned how to merge accounts in QuickBooks Online, helping you keep your financial data organized and clutter-free. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.